Now let's talk about the classification of the RNA viruses. Let's classify them on the basis of the capsid symmetry. So we have two types of RNA viruses on the basis of capsid symmetry. So these might be icosahedral or helical, 20 sites or 6 sites. So now let's talk about the icosahedral RNA viruses. So for that, I have a mnemonic for you, which is PHCR. What does PHCR stand for? Okay, so I want you to remember the characteristics of the PHCR viruses. These are non-enveloped, they have positive polarity, and they are linear. So what stands for P? P is for picorna, H is for hep virus, C is for calcivirus, and R is for reovirus. So picorna, hep virus, and calcivirus are all single-stranded. However, reovirus is double-stranded. What does picornavirus cause? Please remember the IO words for that. Rhino, polio, and hepatitis A, because A comes at the end. Hep virus causes hepatitis E, calcivirus causes norovirus, which is responsible for diarrhea in children and adults. And then we have reovirus, which is double-stranded, and it causes rotavirus. This is very much common in causing infantile diarrhea. And we have, in icosahedral type, we have RFT. R for retro, F for flavi, and T for toga. For the retrovirus, I want you to remember all H's. Okay, so H for HIV, H for HCLV1, or human T-cell leukemia virus 1. Flavivirus, please remember that. It is very important in viruses present in Pakistan especially. So dengue, hepatitis C, and yellow fever. And also Zika virus. Now for the toga, just remember rubella, which is responsible for blindness. Now let's talk about the helical viruses. So helical viruses are enveloped and they have positive polarity. All of them have positive polarity except for corona. So the helical type of viruses, they are all enveloped and they have positive polarity except for the coronavirus, and they are all single-stranded and linear, or they might also be circular. Or A, B, and D are circular. Okay, so the ones are A, B, C, D, and PROF, A, B, C, D, prof. So A is for the arenavirus, which causes Lassa, and also LC. So LC is for the lymphocytic poliomeningitis. And then we have the Bunia virus. So the Bunia virus is going to cause California and encephalitis. And it also causes the hantavirus. And the corona is going to cause coronavirus. Delta is going to cause hepatitis delta. Now let's talk about the PROF viruses. So paramyxovirus is going to cause very famous viruses, which are MM, which are measles and mumps, and also parainfluenza and RSV, or respiratory syncytial virus. Just remember MMR, okay? And rhabdo is going to cause rabies, orthomyxo is going to cause influenza, and phyllo is going to cause Ebola and Marburg.